Okay, hello everyone, welcome to the video today. This is going to be a quick video just about a website called SendEarnings, and this is another website where you are paid to do different tasks. There's a lot of different things you can do on this website. It's very similar to Inbox Dollars, which I've talked about before in my other videos. This one, it almost mirrors Inbox Dollars completely, so if you're familiar with that one, this is just the same thing, just on a different website. So basically, you have a whole bunch of different things you can do. This is the homepage of SendEarnings. You have offers where you can sign up for different offers and earn money that way. You have surveys, which are right here. You have games that you can play. There's Easy Cash, which this is mostly like it's kind of like offers where you sign up for different things and you get paid. For instance, here if you join Opinion Square, you're going to earn $3. It'll tell you right here what you have to do in order to get the $3. You have to register and then install the software, and then you'll get your credit from SendEarnings. And then you see there's a whole bunch more Easy Cash, as they call it. There is Search, and this is basically like a search engine. You just type in something here, like it can be absolutely anything. And it'll just bring up the results just like it would in Google or something like that. And as you can see, you need to do 4 of them a day in order to get rewarded. So I'm just going to go through them really quickly. Like I said, you can type in anything you want. You don't have to click on any of these for it to work. You just, as you can see, it's moving. I got one more to do. Okay, and there you go. See, I won 1 cent. It doesn't pay a whole lot, but I just wanted to show you how that works. Okay, the next thing is deals. This is where you can clip coupons. Also, if you're familiar with Groupon, that's within this tab here. If you clip the coupons, I like using this because I can print them from my computer and I earn money back, plus I'm saving with the coupon. So if it's something I was going to buy anyway, I'll go through here and clip a few, and you just earn the extra cents as a result. So I really like the coupon feature that's on here. Inbox Dollars also has the coupon feature. Okay, you can refer friends, and there's also the email. Up here in this area, you have how much money you've made, the surveys that are available to you right now, and then emails. So I don't really check the emails within my actual email system. I check them here on the website. It's just the way I do it. You can do it either way. So what you do is you have all these emails here to read. So you can just kind of glance through it, and then you're going to hit confirm this paid email, and it'll open up in a new tab, and you can just close out that tab and you're done. Like it says right here, congrats, you earned more money towards your goal. Okay, and you just go through all these, hit confirm, and close out the tab, and you just keep going. It's so simple. You don't even have to really wait for it to load. So I'm just closing, I know you can't see that, but I'm closing out the tab every time it opens in a new area. So that's the emails. You want to come log into this website. I do it every day, and I just check how many emails I have. I do the search. I check for any coupons I might want to use. And sometimes I'll take a survey. I don't care much for the surveys on these kind of sites because I typically am not qualified for them. If I'm going to take a survey, it's going to be on one of my other sites that I like. For instance, Paid Viewpoint, or on CrowdTap or UserCrowd. Those are going to pay me for sure. I don't have to pre-qualify for them. I've talked about them in other videos as well. So if you want to check that out, I'll leave some links in the description box for those. They're my favorite because, first of all, they pay really well, and you don't have to pre-qualify. But Send Earnings does give you money for a lot of these other things, and so I use it more for that. So basically, that's an overview of sendearnings.com. I'll leave a link in the description so you can sign up. I believe you get $5 for signing up. So if you want to take it for a spin and see if you can earn any money with it, then you can get started with $5. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a bit. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll be showing you more videos like this, as well as how I make a full-time living online. Okay, thanks, and I will see you guys in the next video.